Hello, this is Frida. Welcome to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to be talking and giving you my feedback. The yarn that I purchased from Michael's here in my local town, Made with Love, the Cottony One Lion brand. And I just want to say I love this yarn. I can't say, like, I just love it, love it, love it. It's 4-weight. It's super easy to work with. It does not split. First I went and bought this yarn. I thought I could make myself a top. And first I said to myself, I need to figure out how the quality of this yarn is. It's $11.99 here in Edmonton, Michael's. I think there's a sale going on at the moment for $9 and some change Canadian, but the thing is shipping fee, right? And custom fee to order from Lion's website. So that's why I've been trying to buy these from this is the color from our local yarn shop here in Michael's. I think this is a color name. Pewter Pan. They have funny names. Red Vine. What am I? Red Wine. Vine. Primrose Hill. Today I purchased these two. These two I haven't used them. Just love the color, the natural look color. This is Hot Cocoa. This is Marvelous Mushroom. I just love the texture of this. All these yarns I've been working with, and I love this. So this is what I've been up to. 60% cotton, 40% acrylic. It's a 4-weight, and I used a 4-point crochet hook. It says use a 5. I used a 4.5. Yeah, my motifs are already big enough, so that's why I used a smaller crochet hook. Even that ended up pretty big. So that's the reason I came here to talk about this gorgeous yarn. It's out there. It's new. It is equal for me. For me, it's equal. I love the quality of Caron cotton. But unfortunately, I don't think they're making anymore. So the solid colors, of course, you can't find them. Just wanted to show you. So this color, I use this yarn for this color. For this color, I use this yarn. And for this, pewter pan. It's dark gray, actually. And what was this color? This color was indigo for it, yeah. So indigo for it is that. And for the Peter Pan, it's this color right here. Yeah, these are the ones I bought today. I haven't used them up. And I'm just, here is this color I did use up. Primrose Hill. Just love it, love it, love it. So I just had to come and give you my feedback about this gorgeous yarn. $11.99 for 100 gram. It is still expensive. Yes, it is. So what I've been up to, I've been using my 50% off coupon to purchase this. So it's coming to $6.50, I believe. Yeah. It's pretty expensive. So just wanted to show you. It's a 4-weight. It's not like the Caron Cake. Caron Cake is more thinner. Just want to show you how it looks. Focusing on the background. Like, this is what I'm trying to show you, is it doesn't split. See? Just slides nicely. Because of how it's been plied. Let me get a closer look. My nails look ugly. See how they did the I just love the quality of it. Yeah. See, there's so many strands in here, but the way they wrapped it, it's twisted. It's just fantastic. So I would highly recommend, if you want to work something, make something, definitely. But again, the price is too high, $11.50, $11.99. So it comes to 12 Canadian dollars for one of this. Yeah, yarn is very expensive. So I hope you like this review, and definitely highly recommend it. I just love the colorway, how the colors are. They don't have bright colors, but they just love I love the pastel-y looking, dull looking, and it looks great on the gray color that I used up. So yeah, just wanted to share you this. Yeah, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe, share it with your family and friends, and don't forget to hit that notification button. So every time I post a new video, you will be notified, indicating there's something new for you to watch. Stay tuned. I am going to be doing the tutorial on how to do the border for this beautiful blanket that I crocheted up. And I do have the tutorial on how to crochet the daisy. I will pin it, so you can check it out. When I do the tutorial for the border, I will pin that as well when I finish it up. Happy crocheting, happy knitting. Bye-bye.